In this video, I'm going to show you how in Sabre Production we've created the ability to be able to change multiple production orders to a different status in a batch. So here I am inside of Business Central. So traditionally in the past, I had a few options. One, I could navigate to, let's say, my firm plan list. I could change the status to released one by one, or I could go to the change production order status page, but I had to select everything that I was filtered to and then change the status. So it felt a little dangerous. So again, option one would be to go to firm planned. You'd select whichever order you want, and then under process, you could change status, and from there you could release it. Trouble there is you're going one by one. If I had selected, let's say, two firm planned, and then I go to process and I change status, even though I had two selected, it would only change the first one to released, and then I would have had to select the second one again. So again, just wasn't working for me. So Business Central natively does have a page called Change Production Order Status. So I could then choose firm planned. I can see all my firm planned orders. From here, even if I had selected, let's say, these three and went under process and I clicked change status, even though only three were selected, it would have changed in this case all five. I could filter this list page to only the orders that I want, let's say based on a specific date or specific item or things like that. But again, that relied on me filtering, making sure my filters were good. So what Sabre did was we added the ability to select whichever ones you wanted to. Under process, you can say change status selected. When you do that, you're prompted with the same screen to indicate which status you want to change to. And from here, I'll say yes. And now only the two are left that I didn't actually select. So what we do recommend sometimes is just to hide maybe the change status from people's screen if you're worried that they'll select it. But the change status selected would be the option that you would want to be able to select whichever, let's say, firm planned orders you want and change the status in a batch. For any questions on this feature or any of the other great Sabre Production features, please contact me below.